how prepared are you to, in this competition, if so ever?
Well, we have to do our research. We have to we shouldn't be resting on our laurels. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Just because let's say a design is catching on, we can't stick on with one design. We should come up, if we have one hit, we should at least have the next 5 in the wings.
Right. Exactly.
We won't wait for someone to
just jump in, then
and
get your market.
Whoop us.
And wow, what happened? What happened? So the entire family is involved.
The entire family is involved. Some friends are involved, and we try to utilize out of the box ways of promoting this through social networking sites.
Yeah. How do people respond?
I guess someone here just saw this from my Facebook account.
Okay, so this guesting is a product of a social network.
Social networking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Someone.
It's viral. It's viral, and when you say viral, when you post it there, the whole world sees it.
Right, and without you spending advertising.
Some companies
cash
will
for
really
that.
spend, I think, millions to come up with commercials, but we try to buck the trend.
Right, exactly. And your sister, who is still studying in UP.
Studying. Actually, she hasn't. I think for her age, she hasn't realized yet that Beanie Boss is getting big already.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
she just loves to design and come up with.
Like every one of us here, in our family, we just love to draw. We just love to make things. We just love to do crafts. That will drive you.
Right.
That will drive you.
Okay. Well, I think it's a good model. You just enjoy and
enjoy.
And just write and
because
grow.
if you don't enjoy what you do, it will grow old easy.
Yeah, I think so. Now, when we return, we are going to talk about this stuff.
Okay.
I enjoy this one.
It suits you.
Sometimes, yeah. What's this?
That's a sunflower.
It's a sunflower. Yeah, I actually get some chances to attend this cosplay, the costume play, and I understand that you can also be there, so people can actually grab this. But when we return,
we have participated in numerous cosplays already in the past months.
Right, we don't want to count. But when we return, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have your thoughts and your monologue for Make the Picture Talk. Stay tuned.
Oh, my thoughts. Okay, Doc.
Nasasabihin Ladies and gentlemen, yung nakikita po ninyo, bigyan natin sila ng isa pang take. Okay? Bigyan natin sila ng isa pang take. Okay, yan po nakikita natin. Isipin niyo po ang workplace natin, kung yung ating mga workplaces, kung lahat ng tao ay merong ganyan. So, tingnan niyo naman po, say hi. Okay, that's the staff and crew and directors and family members of GNN. Meron pa pong iba rito. Ito ating mga cameraman, nag-enjoy din dito. Tingnan natin kung ano. Yon. Okay. So imagine if your workplace is some sort of like that. This is a weird case, right?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're still watching Creative Business, and we are going to make the picture talk right now. So I'm putting up the photo of the week on screen. Okay? Pakita natin yung photo of the week sa screen.
Photo of the week.
Oh, look at this. Finally, I'm free from my wife. Rodney of Quezon City. Let the rain fall now. I've secured my pension already, from Marlu of Pampanga. And this is the third comment from our viewer. Who else wants to get insurance? Jenna of Cagayan de Oro. Maybe insurance agent ito, no? Okay, now. Benny, Boshi, Kit, let's go back to your interview. Okay.
Yes.
This one is not an imported product. This is proudly what?
Filipino.
Proudly Filipino.
Proudly Filipino.
Right. How do you make this? I mean, how do you do this design?
Well, we have someone who sews the material, the shape. We first determine the shape. If it's going to be a flower type shape, a hat with ears, a hat like this.
Right, right.
Okay.
Paano yun? Yung isang yun? Yung green na yan.
Ayan. Actually, si Manong ata talaga yan eh.
Huwag niyo tingnan yung, huwag niyo pong tingnan
That's
yung
what they call a Rasta type of beanie hat. Rasta
Right.
type. Yeah.
So that one is also cool, right?
Yeah, looks
Okay.
cool.
What about this one? Itong itim.
Yan.
Yeah.
Something, it looks like someone FPJ would beat up.
Okay. What about that brown? That brown.
That one.
Kagaya na sa akin to eh.
Okay.
Yeah, that one. Okay,
Wait.
itong brown.
That one. Okay, mukhang enjoy na enjoy si Manong.
Yung mga ganyan, madali yan, ha?
It will take a little bit of effort because may ear siya, it's two-toned eh. At first kasi we determine first the shape of the hat that we want to do. Once that's done, we have someone who sews these hats, and we add accessories like eyes. We have those. We cut out the eyes. We cut out the ears, the nose, just to make it a little bit more cuter.
Right. And this one is very in demand.
Yeah, especially for in call centers.
Call centers.
Cosplay.
Because if you're like cold, they
Yeah.
can just get it and it's solved. It's
Kunyari,
fine.
pag yung, so that you won't hear your boss yelling at you.
Oh, you don't. You don't want to hear your
Helps a
boss.
lot.
How is that? You don't want to hear your boss, so you
Stop
just
it.
stop it. And there are also some familiar characters that you are actually promoting.
But times,
So-
yeah.
What's that one?
That's from where?
Okay.
Okay, someone
Apart
signaling. Okay,
Hindi ako yung familiar na character, not me.
okay. I think we will pan the camera a bit.
Right.
That one. At times, some customers, I guess everybody knows who that is.
Right.
Okay, we won't mention who that is.
Right.
At times, some customers, they want.
Hindi puppet yan, sorry.
Hindi puppet yan. We're not. Jim Henson's not here. At times, customers would want familiar characters. We
Right.
try to give what they want.
Right.
Especially if they want it done on the spot, we accommodate.
Yeah. Kit, I would like to ask, you told me a while ago that you have worked as a marketing guy in a popular brand
Yeah.
years ago.
Yeah.
How does it feel now that you are actually marketing your own brand? Is there a difference between the way you are treating it and the way you are doing the marketing planning and strategies?